Well, we needed the 3 points, especially with Newtown beating Aberystwyth just before us. I thought we deserved it, a little bit edgy at times. We could have been dead and buried in the first half. I think the amount of chances we created and missed, which is key because we won't have them. I was just saying to the lads then, if we're playing against Newtown next week, we need to make them chances go in, which they didn't. Second half, we come out, we should have scored straight away after kick-off. JJ's missed again, unfortunately. And Britain Ferry, a very brave team. They won't give in, and going forward, they're always going to cause you problems, especially when they make them substitutions and they really go for it. They get the goal back, the penalty, which I could see coming, to be fair to them, and then luckily we got the third goal to see the game out.
Yeah, it's a very disappointed dressing room in there at the moment. Obviously we come up with the game plan, but we just didn't start the game well, to be honest. The first 10 minutes we was all over the place. We conceded a very poor goal from a long throw, which put us on the back foot straight away, and it didn't get any better than for a bit. And then obviously we conceded then the 2 goals from set pieces, which is very disappointing. So yeah, it's not a good day at the office.
Wel, hat-trick heddiw, Harry, wyt ti'n mynd i fod yn gofyn am y Crys rhif 9 wrth nesaf?
Na, o'n i'n siarad yn y wythnos efo Fawz efo, a maen nhw wedi dweud bod dwi angen cyfrin o mwy ar ochr yna y cae, felly dwi wedi trio heddiw, dwi wedi gwneud hwnna. Wel,
oedd y 3 gol eitha tebyg, doedd, siarad ni drwyddyn?
Yeah, just 3 header yn doedd. Pan oeddwn ni'n paratoi yn yr wythnos, maen nhw wedi dweud bod na chawns mawr ar set pieces yn erbyn hyn heddiw. Felly, mae wedi gweithio allan.
3 pwynt bwysig iawn i chi heddiw doedd efo'r sefyllfa ar y gwylo?
Yeah, massive. Maen ni just yn cymryd pob gêm as maen nhw'n dod a trio ennill pob dyn i trio aros yn y gyngrair.